Hi there, welcome again to Fifth Wheelers Australia in Ballarat. Today's job is on a 24 Next Gen Ranger and we're installing the Heyman Reese 3.5 tonne Euro turntable. What I'd like to talk about is where the centre line ends up after you've put the turntable in, or things to consider if you want to tow a fifth wheeler or gooseneck with your Ranger. The measurements from the end of the tub, and 1 metre and 10 mil will put the centre line of the hitch. If you choose to buy the aftermarket legs, they'll bring it back 130 mil. That'll put your centre line at 880 mil from the end of the tub here. You need to know these measurements so you can stop hitting the cabin, because it'll end up pretty close to the cabin. We also sell a ball kit. Everything's under the floor and just the ball pokes through, and it pokes through at about 830 mil from here. I'm going to show you a little tricky part with the install. We have to cut out a bit of steel under the floor, and it's the phone call I get all the time. Let's go under for a look. Here we are under the Ford Ranger, and when you go to put this rail in here, you have to cut out part of the top hat support, and this is the phone call I get. Have I really got to cut this bit of steel out? And yes, you do. So this bit of steel here, which is fixed to the floor of the tub, has got to be removed for this black rail and the bracket, this bracket on the side here to go on. And it's a bit of a job to cut it out. We use an air hacksaw. But I don't know, it's just real tricky to do. That's what you got to do. That's the hardest part of the install. The rest of it is just bolts, and it comes with your ADR compliance sticker. So that's the install. Contact us at Fifth Wheelers in Ballarat and we can set you up with one.